Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a rainbow text effect in Canva. And there will be two methods that I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So let's start with the first method, which is easy and you don't have to use any third-party app to get it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to type some text, and after that, you can basically recolor each letter on that text. So for example, if I want to make this color to be a different color, this letter should be a different color, I could click here and I could assign a different color, and then you could do the same for other colors. So eventually it will form sort of rainbow effect, and I think this is the easiest way to get it, even though this is probably not the best method for it, but you can see the point. You can see how this is could be useful to create a simple rainbow effect. But what if you want to create something like this where the text, it's not the text, the color is blending nicely from one color to another? It is almost like a gradient effect. So if you want to get this effect, you have to use a third-party app that's fortunately available in Canva. So I'm going to add a new page, and then you want to go to apps and then click here and then search type gradient. That's the name of the app that we are going to use. Click here and then click open. Okay, now this is the tool that we are going to use to create a gradient or rainbow text effect. So first you can adjust the direction. I guess I'm going to put it like here, and the text is going to be, let's say, subscribe. Okay, I'm going to adjust this position a little bit, and after that you can select the font if you want, but I guess I'm going to stick with the default font. And you can adjust the alignment, you can adjust the align height as well. So that's basically it. And then the next thing is very important. So this section is going to control what color that this text will have. So this control point will represent the color. If I change this control point color to, let's say, red, it will be red. So I'm going to make sure that the first one is red. And if you want to do this, you want to do the same for this next control point. This is probably going to be orange, and to add another control point, you can click here, click anywhere in this line, and then a new color will pop up. Oh, sorry, new control point will pop up, and then you can set a new color. So this one is going to be yellow, for example, and let's do the same for this. This is going to be light green. It's going to be green. It's going to be kind of dark green. And this is going to be blue, light blue. And this is going to be kind of dark blue. And this is going to be pink. And lastly is purple. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Okay, I think that's good enough. So this is the color that I got, and when you're done, you can click add to design, and this design or this text will be inserted into your Canva document. So that is a simple way to create a rainbow text effect in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel to get more tutorials like this, and I'll see you on the next video.